Ladies and gents, welcome to another video on To The Limits, man. You see it, we got the Lexus RCF. It got a Borla exhaust on it. The color is amazing. It's set up in the drift spec right now because they're about to take it drifting. So I hope you guys go enjoy this video. Active spoiler. Okay, Charger. Let's take this thing for a ride. Ooh, what's that? Another Hemming. Ooh, it feels touchy. Yeah. The V8 instant torque. All right, let's go down the stretch first just to feel it, and then I love the shift sound. I love the way it shifts. It got like a 2-stage gas pedal. Yeah. All right. Oh my gosh, the downshifts. The guy turned around. Alright, we go. The downshifts are nice. Lexus always sounds good though. And it handles, right? It handles good. And let's see. You know, I don't think it's fully off.
It's not fully off?
Nah, I think it kicked in just now. Let's see. Let me come to a complete stop. Where's the traction button? Right here. So let's put it on and then let me hold it down. Let's see if anything else changes.
I don't know if I ever tried that, but
nothing else happens? No. No, nothing else happens. Alright. And then put the torque vector in slalom. Let's see if that changes anything. We got shift lights. It got shift lights. Okay, fancy. Alright, we're gonna try and throw it in and see what happens. I told you, this is what I was born to do.
wow.
I could feel when it went open just then.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I like drifting in manual just because it holds your gear.
Yeah.
You can feel it opening the diff though.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can feel the diff opening. All right, let's take it back. Let's make a U-turn and take her back. Get to these cars pass and just make a U-turn. It feels, when you turn in and then you go into power, you feel it slide out, and when you go to catch it, then you feel the diff work.
Yeah, yeah, it kind of looks for the road basically.
Yeah, it feels what you're doing, and then it goes accordingly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect U-turn.
Always. That's just me. I think my hand just touched the cruise control. It says cruise control on. Oh, there's a car. I love the dash too, like the way everything is.
Yep.
And the way it looks in the glass right there, oh my gosh, this car looks amazing. This car is amazing. You say you're thinking about selling it?
Yeah, I want to say, I'm trying to get like 35K. I want to get the
After the drift, you don't want to sell it no more? I just love pushing a car like to the limits. That's what I live for, man. All right, last thing, I'm gonna just try one donut and then we bring it back, okay? Down here is the donut spot. So when we're doing our thing, if you want to do a donut, you just come down here. It's like a big.
I can't wait for those clips, man.
When you hit the red line right there, it upshifted. Competition to the M3.
Yeah.
So and the M4.
Exactly.
That V8 sounds so good.
Yeah, I guess it's in the same class as the M4 because it's a coupe 2-door.
Yeah. Exactly.
GT maybe.
Because it got a similar engine.
Yep.
This is the M5 marks. Now, those lines that you see, that's what I did in the M5. Because that's what I normally do. I normally go for driving other people's car and make like a POV drive video.
Yeah.
If it's rear-wheel drive, you know, we take it for a drift. Everything. Let me know what you guys think of the Lexus RCF. We're about to race it against the F80 and see what it can do. Whew. That was nice. I enjoyed drifting it. It slides, and you know the thing, you can actually feel the torque management section, the torque vectoring system working on it, which is crazy. I never felt that in a car where it locks and then it goes open. So that's amazing. Lexus did their thing on this car, man. Big old V8. Yeah, it feels good. I like it. He's thinking about selling it, so if you want it, you should buy it. What do you guys think? M3 versus RCF. Ready? He didn't get a good start. I'm gonna let him get the hit again, guys.